Good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Thursday the 5th, and we are in the trade now. So I seen price coming up to this key level. Let me just show you. And realistically, I would have liked to take this trade. I actually had some entries right here at this level. I got out of them when price shot up, entered some more up here, or I'm sorry, I got out of these positions here when price came back down. I just didn't want to have these lower positions in here at this point. If we have news coming out at 5:30, unemployment news, which what I see here is a nice W forming, right? Boom. But what I also see is this high being broken by this high. So that kind of worries me a little bit. So first TP is going to be right here at this level, about 70 pips. I might just take everything at that point. I'm not too sure. But, the goal would have been to take it down back down to this level here, about 162 pips. So, um, for sure, I'm going to take some profit here, though, just because we know we have a lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. Now, in the grand scheme of things, on the 15-minute chart, we kind of see the same thing, right? So we just got to be mindful of what price is doing right here. Like, this is all going to be something that I got to take a look at right here. So if the news isn't what I'd like it to be, it's coming out in 10 minutes, and we see it bounce from here, I'll probably just get out of the trade. I wouldn't like to get out of the trade here at 50 pips, but if I have to, I will. 70 pips is more where I'm going to take my TP1 if we see news go our way. And TP2, it's kind of hard to say just because I feel like I'm kind of doing a counter trend trade. You can kind of see it here. It kind of looks like higher high, higher low, higher high. Sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. So we're kind of in this consolidation phase right now where it's give or take, we really don't know what's going to happen right now. So um, I like that this 15-minute formed a nice little kind of like an inverted candle right there. So we'll see if price goes our way. The only thing that I don't like about this is the higher lows and then this higher high. So, and then we got to remember that this area here is a golden zone, supply and demand area. So you can see why buys came in, buys came in, buys came in, buys came in, buys came in. Yesterday I was going to take this trade too, but buys came in, right? So the one thing I'm betting this on is that these lows broke this low. The one thing that I don't like is that this high broke this high, but this high did not break this high. So that's a good thing to me. And that's why we have our stop loss just above right here, about 60 pips. So I'm risking about $1,200 right now, and we'll see what happens. The goal is to get down here. That's the real goal. So we have 8 minutes until we kind of see what price is going to give us. Hopefully we see a big rejection down, and we can take this thing down a long way. So that's the goal, but we'll see what price gives us. Here on Forex Factory, we have unemployment claims. They're hoping 211 or less. And remember, if it's less than 211, we should see price probably spike. You can see it's usually less than what they're expecting, so we probably should see price spike. Hopefully we do. I'm sorry, not spike. We want to see this number be higher so we can see price come down, I think. So let's see if it does that for us. So a bunch of key areas that we're coming up on right now. Even the 5-minute, we have EMAs, right? You see how the EMAs are all together. So 5-minute, 15 minutes. So this could be an easy area for price to bounce from. We just gotta wait and see what's gonna happen here. I'm up about $800 right now. Um, the most drawdown I've seen was about, I want to say 400, 500. So I'm at about a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. So we'll see what price gives us right now. I'd like to get at least 1,000 on this trade. I'm at 215,000 right now. On my balance, equities at 215,780. So I'd like to get at least a 16. We only need about 5 grand more to pass the first level of this challenge, which it's been tough for me just because, you know, I realize more and more, especially doing this challenge, which I do like, is the information they provide you, which is kind of like when you make the most money, um, your consistency level, your risk to, like a real true risk to reward ratio, your Sharpe ratio, um, you know, how many lots are you trading per day? So like for me, I've been noticing I'm trading a lot more than I should be. So that's kind of messed me up a little bit where I kind of like, ugh, you know, like I got a lot of work to do as a trader. Like my entry, you know, I've nailed down the things that I'm pretty good at, which is entries. Um, the thing that I'm bad at is impatience and exiting. So I usually, if price is going against me, I'll start taking partial losses, right? If price is going for me, I'll start taking partial wins. So that's my big issue. Like right now, I could really be up probably about $1,500, $1,600 right now. I'm up at 900 right now, but you know, it's just a matter of price is going to do what we want it to do. So see what happens. And one thing I don't like, just to give you guys a heads up, is I don't like that price is kind of doing this now because when it does it now, that leaves a window and an opportunity for news to come in. We see it bounce for it to go up. So it's kind of making its retracement now before the news comes out. Then we see the push up, which is one thing we got to be mindful of. So let's be very, very mindful of that. See what price is going to give us. You can see this is right off the 1 minute 50 EMA, I believe. Oh no, it's under the 50. So it's off the 5 minute 20 EMA, which I still don't like. You can see this. So you always got to look for the little things like this. What is right here? Supply and demand area, right? So it's kind of using this as support, which I don't like. So you can see it engulfing right now, which I also don't like. So news is coming out in 5 minutes. I don't like what price is doing right here off of the 1 minute or the 5 minute 20 EMA. Getting back on top right here. Don't like that. What I'd like to see is just a quick push down. I'd like to see it finish through here if I'm just being real. And maybe we could see a big push down. So we'll see what price gives us. Yeah, it's not breaking through right here, which I do not like. So I might, this is my issue again with my trading is I pull profits as soon as we see a little bit, I guess because stained and hurt from what price has done to me in the past, you know what I mean? So, but the goal is to start holding these trades to completion, like no matter what. So that's the hard part for me is my impatience in holding winners and losers, you know what I mean? It's just hard for me, so let's see here. All right, so if we don't see it break this level, I'm gonna get out. But it looks all right so far. We still have 2 minutes. Let's see what price gives us right now. So up about 900 right now, a little more than 900. Let's see what price is gonna give us right here. Don't like that right there. You can see on the 1 minute, we're starting to form this support right here. A lot of support, which is right off of this IOC. See, I don't like that. We might have seen the move down, right? Like now this could be the move up from here, right from this level. Damn. So let's see what this is on the scale right here, on the Fibonacci, most recent low. You could do this on any time frame just to give you an idea of what price is doing. What is it? Right at the 61.8%. golden zone, IOC, rejection, 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 boom. So our biggest hope that we have here, and this is what kind of scares me, we could see it go way past this. Stops are going to be at break even for me right now. But we could see it go way past this, right? But the hope is that we see it possibly hit this. And then fall the fuck off. I mean, preferably I wouldn't even want it to break this red line here, which is a 1 minute 50 EMA. This one here. So we'll see what happens right now. But you know, just this little move from here to here, depending on your lot size, and I think that's why I'm still not comfortable holding my trades all the way. It's a lot of money, you know, so I just want to get this shit down. So we'll see what happens right now. We've got about 20 seconds left. I'm going to bring Forex Factory over here. Let's see if we see the push down that we want to see. 2, 1, blast off. Ooh. Is it going to bounce off of this level? If it does, I'm going to get out. Looks like it is going to bounce, so I'm probably going to get out of this trade. Let's see here. Start making its way up. Numbers haven't come in yet. On Forex Factory, there's this new website that I seen. Looks like it's coming up. Oh. Damn, I just pulled one of my fucking trades. I pulled one of my trades at 47 pips, and that, again, that's my issue. Pulling up to a key area for us right now. Numbers came back less than, so that's good for price, right? So we got to understand that. I think I am going to take profit here, this level, because it is good for price. Yeah, fuck it. Boom. I wish I held both positions. But it is what it is. 1,300 bucks on the day. I'll take that shit. Fuck it. I think price is liable to push up from here. You kind of seen that we got the little push up rejection, exactly what we wanted, right? Rejection at the EMA, and seen it come down, and you can see it bouncing right off the 5-minute 50 EMA and the 15-minute 50 EMA. And I mean, we could see it go down, but prices. Oh, is it going down still? Yeah, it is still going down. I mean, that was a really bearish move. Maybe I'm just being impatient about the whole shit. That's the main. Damn, it is going down still. I closed out at 63 pips, my top position. Damn, and it's flying. Damn, it's flying. That, my friends, is why I have to get better. So, you know, I said my first TP was going to be around 70 pips right here. We closed at 63. What is it? About 70 pips right here was going to be my first TP, which would have been nice, you know, to close, you know, probably 700 here. And then, you know, if we seen this big rejection, which we're seeing, probably would have closed again, so 1,500. But instead of 1,500, we got about 1,100. And you can see it's still going down. So at the end of the day, we made money. I'm a scalper. I got in, I got out. It's 5:30. We traded for about 15 minutes, about 30 minutes. And, you know, I'll take it. Fuck it. That was pretty quick, pretty smooth, pretty easy. Not bad. But again, I gotta hold these trades longer, man. Gotta hold these trades longer. It's just a matter of me like really trusting and believing. I'm reading this book right now called The Disciplined Trader or something like that. I got it for free on Amazon Kindle. And you know, it really does talk a lot about how you have to trust your trade and your setup and all that stuff. So you can see my trade is still on its way down. It hurts me. But You know, it's crazy because that's the biggest thing I got to work on is holding these trades and tread like realistically. I had positions here, I had positions here. I had about $60 in transitions here, but I closed most of them at this point just because I didn't know, we got news coming out. But that right there, if I just hold all of these positions, trust the trade, hold all these positions and take it 60 pips, now we're talking about like $3,700, more than that, right? If I got $70 and shit times 88, 90, 100, we're already at 5 pips right here. Like, see, I should have been up 2K right now on these positions right now, on the two that I had. The other 40 lots that I missed out on that I didn't provide here, you know, I should be up 6 grand right now closing out my challenge. And I've had so many trades that way where I can, if just one trade, if I just held in all the positions that I had in on my trade, I'd probably make 20 grand. So that's been the hardest thing for me is holding these trades, trusting what it is, trusting what it's looking like, and being here. So it's something I got to get better at for sure and see what's what. At the end of the day, I'm missing out on a lot of money at this point. And now that I look at it, 2020 hindsight, it's always 2020 hindsight. We got the rejection that we wanted right at the EMA. We got an engulfing candle that took out what, a lot of minutes, right? Took out everything right here, engulfing all the way down to here. And even though it rejected this, there's a pretty small chance that it's going to get a candle that's going to come and engulf all of this right here. Pretty small chance because this is what, a 93. See, that's a 40 pip candle. So at that point, I should hold the trade and just know, okay, let's see what happens here. If it comes back up past here, take it out. So like my thing is, if it comes up here, we're gonna make $50, right? If it breaks below here, we're in business and have the potential to make at least, I would have probably closed my positions here, $83, 83 pips, which would have been $1,600, right? So it's just things that I have to work on, small things that I have to work on. Holding my positions, trusting my trades, doing everything I need to do as a trader to really maximize it. Because I've so many days where I could have just made 5, 10 grand, but instead I'm pulling my positions here and here and here. You know what I mean? And I can't be doing that. What I really have to do is just, okay, we're going to take some here at 70 pips, and then we're going to take the next one here at 100 pips, whatever it may be. So that's something I got to get better at. Um, it is what it is, you know, I'll take it. Profit is profit, but I know that I do have so much more to work on, so much more. So just got to play my cards right next time around and stop being so fucking scared. I'm good at this shit. So, you know, see how it plays out. This is really just a 1-to-1, 60 pips, 63 pips. I got to be better than that. And price is going my way. I had a perfect entry. Got to be better, got to be better, got to be better. Damn, look at that shit. Fucking kidding me? And again, one of the main reasons I did take it out is because of the numbers. I was thinking if unemployment is lower than expected, then we would see what we needed to see, which is a push up. But instead, man, fuck. Damn, I'm a fucking idiot. So, give or take, it's just things that I got to work on, and they will be worked on. Appreciate you guys for tuning in with me today. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope you guys were able to take something from this, and we will be back tomorrow. Thank y'all.